Parents see hundreds of class listing photos as they are searching for classes. So we want to make sure that yours will stand out from the crowd, from amongst the others. So in today's video, we're going to learn all about Outschool's class listing standards for their photos and how to use Canva to create that photo. I'm going to give you a tutorial, walk you through how to use Canva to do that, and my best tips and tricks to help your photo stand out from the rest. So let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Natalie from edtechwizard.com. Here on my channel, you will find videos all about teaching online and using technology in your classes. So today, let's jump into it. Your class listing photo is a very important piece in your listing because when parents are searching for classes, they're going to see your photo and your title and a brief summary of your classes. That is what is the glimpse into your class. So you want to get pictures. You want to get parents to click on your class. And your photo is a very important piece of that because it's visual. It is a great attention grabber. So what are Outschool's standards for listing your photo? The biggest thing for your photo is to not have too many words on it. This is because when your Outschool classes are promoted through Facebook and Instagram, how Outschool does that for you, if there are a lot of words for it, it might not get promoted like you would want it to, or it should. So please keep the words on your class photo to a minimum. Your photo should be very clear and concise about what your class is about and match your title. If you have a division class geared towards beginning students just learning to divide, gear your photo towards the younger students. And another option you can add your own photo to your class pictures. This is optional, you don't have to, but it's a good way to brand your classes. You are letting parents know quickly which class is yours because they can recognize you. So now we have our Outschool standards that we need to keep in mind as we create our photo. Let's jump into Canva and create a class photo. And be sure to stay to the very end where I will share my best tip for your class photo when it comes to promoting your class. Welcome to Canva. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create your class listing to the best that is going to stand out. So we're going to create a design and we need a presentation size. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that presentation side and I just want a blank one. Now this class that I'm going to create it for, I have a digital escape room class. The theme is you are stuck on an island. So I just searched island and I want to find a good one, a good photo that really represents what my class is about. This one's pretty cool. Okay, so I have my island in my picture. Now it is a escape room. So I'm going to think of elements that I can add to my photo that will help describe what is in my class. What's my class about? If they are just scrolling through this and they see this picture of the island, it doesn't give them a lot of details on what this class is about. Are we learning about an island? Are we gonna learn, is it a history lesson about an island? Which is totally not my class. So I need to add in some elements to help parents know what my class is about. I'm right off the bat and I'm going to help match my title. I am going to add my picture. I do like adding my pictures to my classes. I think it really helps brand yourself, but again, adding it is totally up to you. So I'm just going to click one. There we go. I want to show in this one some emotion that, oh my goodness, something's happening on this island. Okay, and I don't want the background in the picture. I just want me. So in Canva, if you click Edit Image, Background Remover, it's going to get rid of that background for me. I'm going to make it just a tad bit smaller so we can still see the island and what it is. In my digital escape room, which is a lot of fun though. I love teaching escape room classes or hosting them. We are on a boat, so let's look for a boat. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to elements for boat. That way I can just get the boat. Okay, let's see if we can be a little more specific on what kind of boat I want. There we go. I like this one. So we have a fishing boat. Okay. So this, with all of these elements, it clearly describes my class without using words because it's an escape room and we're stuck on an island. And I like the emotion, and that's going to drive those parents to read that title and summary. What is going on here? I like to keep my class pictures very simple. Explain it very simple. I don't like to clutter it with too many things because then it gets too hard to focus on or find out what you are trying to say with your class image if there's too many things to look at, and then you're just going to browse right on past if you can't quickly figure out what it is. I am done. That was super simple for our class listing. Now what you're going to do from here is just download it, PNG, download, and then we'll upload it to Outschool. Now, while that's downloading and before we upload it to Outschool, my best tip for when you make your class listing and you want it to look the best when it's promoted is to put the main items in your photo towards the center, because on Instagram and Facebook, those ads, they are square. Your class listing photo is a rectangle shape, but the promotion, when they market, those are square. So I've even redone some of mine because I found my picture is cut off, or I had a lot of stuff on one side and it was all cut off. So when you see the class through the ad, it was like, I'm not sure what this class is about because most of it was cut off. So I've redone some. But yeah, keep it towards the middle. Okay, now let's go into Outschool and upload this photo. Here we are in Outschool, just right here when you are creating your class. I'm actually going to change the picture I have to add these elements in. So we're going to select files to upload and then just pick that file that you've created right from your computer. And here you can always crop the image too, and you can make it just a little smaller. That you always have that option too, but I usually keep it there we go, the full length. Okay, and then click save, and you have uploaded your own class image that is going to grab parents' attention. Way to go, guys. That wasn't too hard. Canva is so fun, and if you enjoy Canva and want to know more about Canva, be sure to check out these videos about how to use Canva for more things than just your class listing photo. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.